Okay, so the next problem we are solving in the lead code is move zeros. Okay, so basically here will be given the list of integers, and it will be containing the zeros in between. Okay, so the task here is we'll have to move all the zeros to the end of the list. Okay, so now but the condition is we are not allowed to make a new copy of it. Okay, we are not allowed to make a copy of the new array. We can just iterate through it and build a new array, right? Like, I mean, wherever we found a positive integer, we'll just add it, and whatever the remaining place, we can add it at the end, right? We can make a copy of it and do it the other way, but we shouldn't be doing it. We should be doing it in place. Basically we need to swap it, or we'll have to update these values. In that way we'll have to come up with this outcome. Okay, so basically how we are going to approach this problem is we can make use of the two pointers here. Okay, so we'll say that pointers has x and y. Okay, and one will be considered as current location, one will be always pointing to the current location. Okay, and another one will be a fast pointer, it will look for a the numbers which are non-zero. Okay, so what we'll do is one pointer will iterate through this. Okay, it will look for a non-zero integer. So whenever we encounter a non-zero integer, we'll tell the other pointer to update its content. Like, I mean, we'll update it at that location, and then we'll move that current pointer to the next location. Simple. Okay, so we set the initially pointer to 0 comma 0, and we'll be iterating through the list. Okay, so whenever we encountered a non-zero integer, so one pointer is, both of the pointer is here, right, 0 comma 0, and we'll let the first we'll check if the like, I mean, y is pointer, right, we'll check if it is in 0 or non-zero. If it's a 0, right, we'll skip it and we'll update our y pointer. So once we encounter y pointer, we'll ask the x pointer to update its content. So once y is not equal to 0, we'll update the x. Okay, so that's how, like, I mean, wherever we encounter positive, right, we'll be just adding our all the integers to the beginning of the list. Once we are done, right, once we are done iterating more, like if the y pointer has reached the end, we'll be, for the rest of the position, we'll be adding the 0. That's it. Thank you.